What is an allergy? Nature has given man a very effective defense system to fight diseases. But sometimes this defense system gets activated against seemingly harmless agents, and the resulting medical condition is called an allergy. Generally, there are many causes for developing allergies, but a respiratory allergy is due to small and fine particles that can enter breathing passages and cause an illness. Among these particles, the most notable are fine particles in the air, like dust, but also the pollen grains of some plants can cause an allergy too. Pollen are those small particles that travel from the male plant to the female plant through the air. But some of these pollens have the ability to cause allergies in humans too. Remember, pollen grains do not cause allergies in every person, but only those that have an allergy to that particular pollen. Also, pollen grains of every plant do not cause allergies. Pollen grains of the paper mulberry tree are considered to be a strong allergy-causing pollen. In some cities of Pakistan, especially in Islamabad, every year during the month of March, people get affected with pollen allergies in large numbers. There are many symptoms of respiratory allergies, including sneezing, a blocked and itchy nose, a runny nose, and a frequent sore throat leading to enlarged tonsils. There can also be shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, and wheezing sounds while breathing. This may eventually lead to asthma. Irritable and red eyes and an itchy face and body are all symptoms of allergies. To prevent a pollen allergy, adopting precautionary and preventative measures before the allergy season are important. During the morning and evening, there are more pollen particles in the air. This is why, both inside and outside the home, it is useful to cover the mouth and nose with a mask or a thick cloth. The windows and doors of the house should be shut closed and small openings covered with tape. Car windows should be closed during travelling, and outside air should not be let in. Allergy patients should avoid strenuous work. Surfaces should be cleaned with a lightly damp cloth so dust particles do not fly in the air. Taking steam with plain water and washing the nose and gargling with salt water is beneficial, but patients with blood pressure should not use salt in the water for gargling. When it is raining or when the weather is humid and cloudy, steam should be avoided. It is very important for an allergy patient to get enough sleep. Tiredness, weakness, mental stress, worry, and physical and mental discomfort may increase an allergy. During the days when patients have an allergy, they should avoid eating until a full stomach. They should also avoid foods that are difficult to digest so that breathing doesn't become difficult. One thing which should be emphasized is that sometimes, despite the best precautionary measures, complete prevention is not possible. That is why, as a safety measure, the use of preventative medicines should be started early on. Allergy medicines are effective in preventing or treating allergies. Among these, those medicines are more effective which do not cause drowsiness and remain effective for longer periods. Those allergy medicines which cause drowsiness or dryness may also increase the chances of an increase in asthma. Remember, always follow the prescription of your doctor for allergy medicines. If you feel any difficulty in breathing, tightness in the chest, increased coughing or wheezing, or are suffering from asthma, then the best way to take medicines is through an inhaler. It is essential to make you aware of certain facts about inhalers. Unfortunately, there is a lot of misinformation and misconceptions regarding inhalers in our country. These include the following: inhaler is the last cure. Using an inhaler makes one addicted to it. No other medicine remains effective once an inhaler has been used, or inhalers are very dangerous. All of these are wrong and baseless. The best way to use an inhaler is through a spacer bottle, so that the medicine can reach the breathing passages fully. If needed, a nebulizer machine can also be used. A nebulizer is a pump that can be used to take medicines for breathing problems. It is very important to know that getting allergy tests and allergy vaccinations when the patient is suffering from an allergy or during pollen allergy season is not only useless, but also potentially dangerous and life-threatening. We pray that God cures every patient of allergy. Amen. For information about precautionary measures and to be safe from pollen allergy on time, please visit our website or email us.